I have a,
No.
I have a question. So if
I,
listed for 345 and they say they won't pay anything,
yeah.
and what if they decide to say, okay, we'll sell with you. You can get me my 345. So how
Yeah.
do you get commission out of? Do you up it to the 12,000? I
Y'all
mean,
trying
to
to
the
go into another training. And y'all got to show up next week.
okay.
Okay? That's easy, y'all. Just, I want you to understand this. Any question you have, especially if it involves money, is already solved. What I got to get you to do is call the leads.
Amen.
Okay? Because I know this 69% of y'all won't even do this. Just you asking all this. I'm not saying you guys. 69% of the agents I teach this to will never pick up the phone and call one freaking client. They're just wasting my time asking me a bunch of questions, not you guys. So if I could get you to do this, just know this for sure, 105% guarantee that you will get paid if you bring a buyer to a for sale by owner. Will you trust me on that? Okay. Because I just taught you some stuff you didn't know. So just let me pace you. If I give you too much information, you're worried about getting paid, and I'm telling you don't have to. It's easy. Okay? Okay? Let's keep it moving. Because if you can find out why somebody wants to do stuff and you solve their why, it's like if you go to the dentist and your tooth is killing you and they take you and they fix it for you and you have no money, will you figure out how to do it? How to pay?
Yes.
Good, great. So will your buyers and sellers. All right, let's keep it moving.
'Cause that's the same thing that when people tell you, I'm not going a penny over 250.
Come on,
Next thing you know, they're under contract for 310.
take me to church. And the church said,
Amen.
Amen.
Are your buyers paying over? Are your buyers paying over asking price on homes? I mean, just come on, y'all. Just come on. Let's just think. Are they? Are your buyers paying? Are your buyers paying 5, 10, 15, 25, $50,000 over market price for homes?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Number one, they got your commission already. That's one piece. The second piece is we can convince the seller to pay us some portion all day long and the buyer to pay the rest. They got the money. Otherwise, you shouldn't be working with them. How can you work with a buyer in this market in 2021-22 that don't have 7% of the purchase price in their bank account? Unless, we're going to give them money at the mortgage company, but you're wasting your time. Sellers ain't paying them a dime. Guys, sorry, you like your clients, but I'm sorry, every client's not a client. Bye-bye, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Go back and save up. Save some beer cans. Save some bottles. Do what you got to do. Trade, cash in your 401k. I need you to have 7% of the purchase price. You want to buy a $400,000 home? You got $28,000? Nope, I got $25,000. Call me when you got $3 more thousand. I can help you. That's how you got to run your business. You don't have a buyer unless they signed and they got money. If a buyer has not signed with you, you don't have no freaking buyer. If the buyer doesn't have 7%, 3.5% down, 3.5% for closing cost, you don't have a buyer.
Yeah.
You should go on your database, our database, 14,000, because there's plenty that have the money. Okay?